So far, gold traded bullish throughout the day, achieved 1763.5 levels as I shared earlier in the day that you can stay long and we can expect a rise. But what to expect now? At the same time, you can see US 100 failed to, yes, it is also trading bullish with a 0.33% rise, and US 30 is trading flat, and however it has achieved a high of 33,920 levels. Now what to expect next? Which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is an important day. Lot much of data is awaited, the GDP data from the US, and then later in the day the Fed chairperson Jerome Powell's speech will definitely bring an impact and volatility. So let's see what can be expected. First we'll look into gold, followed with Nasdaq 100, and in the end Dow Jones. Look at the hourly charts for gold. You can find double top and it is trying to nullify this rise. So once it comes back to 1758, the next candle will decide the direction, potentially taking it below 1754. Now 1754 is going to be a very good support below 1754. Again, you can see here 1748 is the level. So only short entry confirmed is below 1748. Yes, you can try to initiate a sell at 1757 and then expect 1754, 1750 and 48 levels. Below 48, it is going to drop heavily. The direction movement so far is bullish here. The stochastic is overbought now, looking downwards. It is trying to cool down a bit. The MACD is divergent and bullish, and it appears it has seen the high. The RSI is also seen the highs, now looking downwards here. Let's have a further detailed look on the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, look at this. See the previous candle. Yes, higher highs are done. Previous candle was a candle of indecision. Though it ended in green, it indicates that there is a potential for it to reverse. So yes, it can try to attempt and achieve higher lows here, which are now at around 1758-57 zone, and then beyond that potentially it can show you a good rise on the upside with the data here. I will recommend you to sell only at 1754. Below that you can expect a little more drop for 1750, 1748 levels. Below 1748 it is going to drop heavily. So in between 54 and 64, do not take any position. That is clear here. Directional movement divergent and bullish. The stochastic is extremely overbought on the 2-hour charts. The MACD is divergent and bullish here. The RSI is also trading near to the highs, now looking downwards. Now look at the 3-hour charts here, and you can see higher highs are done. Potentially, what it is trying to do, higher lows means 1758 levels can be seen. This is going to be a very good support, and once it draws below 1758, you can expect 1754. Below 1754 is the one where you are going to look at a good drop, where we may see it hitting 1750, 1750, 48, and below 48 a good drop again. So same levels, directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought. The MACD is divergent and bullish, and it is, see, the face is still open, but it appears it has seen the high. It may try to converge. RSI trading near to the highs. Now look at the 4-hour charts. Double top and slightly higher highs, trying to nullify the rise. Yes, it can try to come back till towards 55, and once it draws below 54, you can expect another round of good drop, which might in fact take it till towards 50 and 48. Below 48, it is going to give you very strong drop. See, if you look at the channel there, it is the channel in which it is trading, and 1750-52 zone certainly be a good support. Below 1750, you can expect another good drop for 40 and below levels. Directional movement divergent and bullish. The stochastic is near to overbought. The MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is trading near to the highs. Now look at the daily charts here. One observation is the previous two candles, lower highs and flat bottom. 1740 certainly be a good support there. This time it has breached this support. This time it has breached this resistance. Now it is potentially looking forward to achieve higher highs. It means 1765 certainly can be seen there for maybe even for moments, but it may try to achieve those levels, 1750, 65 and plus levels. So yes, only and only above 1770 you can expect that it is looking forward to double top at 1780-85 zone. As I showed you in the morning, rise, retracement, and again looking upward. So I'll wait for the next candle also, and this candle beyond 1765 certainly is going to fly high. Direction movement moderately bullish, stochastic comfortable. The MACD is divergent and bearish. The RSI is looking upwards here. Considering this for the day, I will recommend you to sell at 1754, buy at 1764. But remember, on the downside, first and immediate support is 1752 levels. below. So rather I will say 1757 itself. Those who want to take a risk can short 1754 first target, 1752 next target, then 1750, 48 till 48 it has got very good support. Below 48 it is going to hit 45 and 40 levels. Below 40 crash again. These are markets, anything is possible. On the upside you can buy there at 1764. 1766 first target, 1771 next, 1780, 1785 levels should be achieved. Take your positions accordingly, trade with a stop loss. Remember, stop loss is your friend. If you put a trailing stop loss, it will automatically shift your stop loss as per the movement of the market. Also, if you do it manually and shift your stop loss to your entry price, certainly it will help you in saving your profits. Trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. And yes, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, identifying right trades, taking the right entries and right exits at the right time, you should join my mentorship batch. The next batch starts on the first week of January. Be a part of it. Reach out to me for more details. Also be part of my signals group where trading as per the signals, definitely you can benefit. My Telegram ID and email IDs are mentioned in the channel description. Only and only reach to the Telegram and email IDs mentioned in the channel description. Do not get fooled by anyone else. Please confirm from my official email ID before paying any payment. Thank you very much. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. Now see Nasdaq 100's movement on the hourly charts. Drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement. So ultimately it is trying to trade in this channel. Where are the highs of this channel? Now 11,600 levels. Yes, if it trades above 11,600, you can expect 11,660 and beyond that it is going to fly high. Beyond till the time it trades below 11,600, do not take any trade. Now let's have a closer look here. If you look closely, the highs are there. See, it is formed a barrier there. In fact, you can buy there at 11,560, 570 zones also. But beyond 11,560, 570, certainly you can expect more rise, which will bring it till towards 11,600. That is going to be the maximum resistance. Beyond 11,600, we may see it flying high. Right now, after a bit of consolidation, it is trying to look forward to a top 11,530, 500. So yes, if you see it trading below 11,500 today, I will recommend you to sell there. Below 11,500, again 450, 400s are the target. 400, 11,400 is a very good support for Nasdaq 100. Directional movement moderately bearish, stochastic trading flat. The MACD is divergent and bullish, RSI looking downwards. Now look at the 2-hour charts. See, this is trying to trade in this channel. See, every candle has a meaning. The highs of this candle are now situated at around 11,680, 580, 600. Yes, if you see it trading above 600, you can certainly stay long above those levels. At the same time, below 11,500, we can stay bearish and we can expect it to drop in between these 100 points. I will not recommend you to take any position. Directional movement moderately bearish, stochastic overbought, very near to the overbought levels. The MACD, however, is divergent and bullish. This is the third green candle. Potentially, it has the potential for it to continue in the greener side. RSI looking downwards again. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, now see the 3 charts movement here. See drop, retracement, drop, retracement. See number of candles you count, 4 green, 4 green. Almost lower highs, lower highs. It appears it is trying to reverse from here. Potentially once it drops below 11,500, certainly we may see 11,450, 480, 450 and below that a good crash can be expected. At the same time, trading above 11,600, certainly it is going to reverse till towards 11,660, 700 level. Directional movement moderately bearish, stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is on the verge of a bullish cross and this is happening after a long time. Potentially, it has the potential to trade bullish from here. RSI looking downward. This is one indication on MACD here. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts to drop, retracement and trading in this channel. Yes, 11,600 certainly be a good level beyond which you can expect it to rise more. Below 500 you can expect 11,480, 11,450 at the first support and then below that a good crash for 11,420, 400. Directional movement moderately bearish, stochastic looking upward. The MACD is trading in red, trying to converge crossover for a bullish move. Let's see if it does. RSI trading flat near to the bottom. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts. See, every candle had a tail, had a wick. Here also it opened flat. It had a wick here. It has already done with the wick and the higher lows are also done. Now, if you see it trading below this 11,400, potentially below that, you can expect it to give you very strong drop. That is what we can expect here. At the same time, once it trades beyond 11,600, you can say it is trying to nullify till here. 11,680, 660 zone certainly be achieved. Then in fact 11,710, 760 levels can be seen. So yes, till 11,480 you have to be cautious there on the downside. Till 11,600 you have to be cautious for a buy position. Directional movement moderately bearish, stochastic trading oversold. The MACD is divergent and bearish, and this is the third red candle. There is a potential for it to trade in red, hence a drop cannot be denied. RSI trading flat. Considering this, only buy position is above 11,600, only sell position is below 11,480. Below 11,480 you will get 30 points for 11,450 first target, 11,420 next, and then if it draws below 11,400 we are going to look at a very good drop which might stop till towards 11,200 levels. Hence take your positions accordingly on the upside beyond 11,600. First target 11,660, then 710, then 760, and then beyond that it is going to fly high. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Market will bring a lot much of volatility today. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. On the hourly charts, if you look at the Dow Jones movement, drop, retracement, lower highs, lower lows. Yes, 33,920 it failed to breach past, and then only if it trades above 33,950 I will recommend you to buy. At the same time, now if you look at the near term charts here, it is trying to trade in this channel. Yes, if you see it trading below 33,750, I will recommend you to go short. Beyond 33,920 till 33,950, yes, there is a potential resistance. So in between this 200 points now for the day, due to volatility, I am limiting the movement for 200 points. Do not trade, let it take a direction on the upside or downside. Above 33,950 we can see it hitting 34,000, 34,100 as the next targets, and beyond that it is going to fly high till 34,300 and plus levels. Below 33,750 you can expect 33,700, 33,600, 33,500 levels. Directional movement moderately bearish, stochastic at bottom, and the MACD is in green. RSI trading flat. Likewise on the 2-hour chart, similar is the observation, similar are the targets. Direction movement is bearish here, stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is in green here, and the RSI is still looking downwards. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, similarly on the 3-hour charts, see, after trading in green, it is trying to break out here. In fact, below 33,800 itself, you can expect 33,770, 33,750, and below that, it is going to give you a very good drop. And on the upside, once it trades beyond 33,950, certainly you can stay long. In between this 150 points at least, do not take any position. Directional movement is bearish, might be trying to converge crossover for a bullish move. It is still trading in red. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, similar is the observation. The directional movement is bearish. The stochastic is converging again at the highs. The MACD is trying to converge for a bullish move. RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. See, one observation, lower highs are seen here. Flat bottom is there. Once it drops below 33,750, you can again expect, see, this much size of candle can be seen. So from 770 you can see 34,250 to 34,850 levels, almost 400 points. And from 33,770 to 400 points, 33,400, 33,370 levels can be seen. This is the zone which it might target. If it continues to trade below 33,700, you should stay short in Dow Jones. In fact, you can sell at 33,750 itself, but you have to ensure that you are trading with a trailing stop loss there. Direction movement is bullish. The stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is divergent and bearish. It is increasing in size. The RSI is trading. Considering this, sell at 750, buy at 950. Above 950, you can expect 34,000, 34,100 as the first target, and then beyond that, it is going to fly high for 34,300 levels. On the downside, below 34,750, 34,700, 33,700, 33,600, 33,500, and 33,350 levels can be expected. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.